A massive cargo ship, 72,200 tons of iron ore, 24 crew members on board. And then, in just around 8 minutes, the ship disappeared beneath the Bay of Bengal. 3 days after the Ocean Winner sank off the Odisha coast, one crucial question remains unanswered. What caused the ship to suddenly tilt and sink so quickly? And with 22 crew members still missing, the mystery is getting deeper. What happened? The Ocean Winner had departed from Paradip port on August 21, carrying around 72,200 tons of iron ore fines bound for China. But the voyage came to a sudden and tragic end the next day. The vessel sank around 230 to 240 nautical miles off the Odisha coast. What makes the incident particularly puzzling is the speed at which it happened. According to the available information, the ship began tilting, and within roughly 8 minutes, it had sunk. There were 24 crew members on board. So far, only 2 Chinese crew members have been rescued. The remaining 22 are still missing. The 2 survivors, key to the mystery. The 2 survivors could now hold some of the most important clues to the incident. They were found on a life raft after the Indian Navy's P-8I aircraft located the rafts. A merchant vessel, MT Isopus, subsequently rescued them. Their account of what happened during those final minutes could help investigators understand whether the ship suffered a sudden stability problem, structural failure, or some other emergency. But one major question remains. Did other crew members also manage to abandon the ship? And if they did, where are they now? The search gets harder. The search for the missing crew is continuing across the Bay of Bengal. But rescuers face a major challenge. The search area is constantly changing. Ocean currents can carry life rafts and survivors far away from the ship's last known location. That means the rescue teams cannot simply focus on one fixed point. Coast Guard ships, Navy aircraft, and merchant vessels are therefore keeping a much wider area under surveillance. But with every passing hour, the search becomes more difficult. Cause still unknown. At this stage, there is no official confirmation about what caused the Ocean Winner to sink. Neither the Coast Guard nor the Navy has publicly identified the exact reason behind the sudden tilting and sinking. Was it a stability problem? Was there a structural issue? Did the cargo shift? Or was there another emergency that developed without warning? For now, these remain unanswered questions. Paradip's history with iron ore carriers. Interestingly, this is not the first major incident involving an iron ore carrier near the Paradip coast. In September 2009, the Mongolian-flagged MV Black Rose sank around 3 kilometers from Paradip after reportedly developing a hole in its hull. The vessel was carrying around 23,847 tons of iron ore and 920 tons of furnace oil. Its chief engineer, a Ukrainian national, died in the incident. That same year, another iron ore carrier, MV Vinaline's Mighty, faced serious stability problems while carrying around 24,500 tons of iron ore from Paradip. The vessel began to tilt and issued an SOS, but a major disaster was eventually avoided.